The experienced pros want to help you get your business right. Have you joined the revolution? Visit meetup.com/therevolution and become a business revolutionary. And now, back to Eric and Angel on the Experienced Pros Radio Show.
Welcome back to the Experienced Pros Radio Show with Angel and Eric. Thanks for taking time out of your day to join us for ours. It's time for our health tip.
Our health tip comes from Dr. Lee Weisbard of Weisbard Dental. Lee, welcome to the show.
Good morning, guys. How are you today?
Fantastic.
Great. Today we're going to talk about New Year's resolutions and prevention of pain.
Oh, I'm all over the prevention of pain thing.
Well, you know, a lot of people kind of put off taking care of their health, especially oral health and dentistry. And what happens is they wait for that call to action. One day they wake up and they have pain or swelling or there's a problem.
You know, Dr. Lee, I wonder if sometimes that you get the indicators of that maybe when you're brushing your teeth and you get a little blood on the outpour.
Well, those could all be indicators. It could be an indicator of an infection, of inflammation. You know, when people wait for pain, they say, "Oh, I don't go to the dentist or I don't take care of it because I don't have a problem. I don't have any pain or discomfort." Pain is really the body's way of telling you something's not right. There's something wrong.
You know, I think a lot of times we just think, I think we just dismiss it so quickly. Dr. Weisbard, what are some of the things that if it should actually really cause us to step up and take notice and actually pick up the phone and call our dentist?
Well, you know, as we were saying, when you have pain, that's usually an indicator that there could be nerve involvement. The tooth may need more treatment, which is more time, more expense. And you can also lose some of your choices. If you wait too long, you may not be able to fix that tooth. You may not be able to do a crown or filling. You may end up losing the tooth or need a root canal or need further treatment. So some of the indicators that people should take notice, if something just doesn't feel right, if they have a bad taste or odor in their mouth, if they have bleeding every time they brush their teeth, if they have pain, if they bite down just a certain way, it could be an indicator of a crack on a tooth. If they have, holes in their teeth or problems, don't wait until your body says you can't wait anymore, because that way we may have some more options on how to take care of those situations.
And that is, I think, we're always afraid of the worst possible thing, and so we put it off. And then when we do put it off, right, of course it's the worst possible thing.
Or if you're like me, you just think, well, I can tough this out. It's going to go away eventually, and it doesn't. And that's also a big problem, right, Doctor?
Exactly. It doesn't go away. It gets worse. And it may go away temporarily, but it's going to come back, and it's going to come back when you least expect it, when you've got that big dinner party or it's Christmas Eve. And then what are you going to do? You end up having to take pain pills. You end up in a bad situation. So the best thing to do really is to be proactive and just take care of your health. Make that New Year's resolution to come in, see us. We'll be glad to take a look around, give you a thorough exam, consultation, and then you have a plan. So at least you know what to expect.
And so if you have not been to the dentist in over 6 months,
it's time.
It is time. It is absolutely time.
Dr. Lee, give us some contact information for Weisbard Dental.
I can be reached at 303-773-3373 or online at weisbarddental.com. And we are still running that special, $100 off Bright Smile or Zoom procedures. Those are the in-office teeth whitening procedures. And we do complimentary consultations. So we'd be happy to take a look. We are still here for the rest of the week, and we will be out Christmas week, and we wish everyone happy holidays and Happy New Year.
You know what? I think this is just a fabulous deal for all of our listeners to take advantage of. $100 off. Have the brightest, whitest smile that you can have, and it'll last you quite a while. 303-773-3373. Dr. Weisbard, thanks so much. I know there are people listening, and they're kind of having their tongue go through their mouth, and they're like, yeah, I need to pick up the phone and call 303-773-3373.
Go to the dentist that I go to. Dr. Lee Weisbard, weisbarddental.com. Thank you, Dr. Lee.
Thank you.